Hello, my name is Giancarlos Castillo Caicedo. Introduction. What is a life project? The following word reveals the perspectives I have regarding the future plans that I set to achieve during my university career and beyond. Current achievements. Regarding my achievements so far, I can cite them having a good university average to that is one of the main honest since it shown me that I am capable of achieving a good performance. Medium-term goals. The goals that I have in the short term to achieve my university degree in an education to be able to give a class in educational institution to children who will be future professional or is at some point it is possible I will be touched in university and be able to be more specialized in the master. Long-term goals. Now to finish the goal that I have for the future in the long term is to able to have extensive experience in the education field so that I can begin to specialize in the area that I have to educate. Once I achieve that objective, I will have let some number of the teaching work, which is acquire experiences over the years that will facilitate the process. Thank you. I hope I did a good job.